Hi, I'll talk about the SQL certification, and this is just a small introduction about two options that you have. So one option while learning and delving into SQL lies on the MySQL, which is an Oracle product and an open source. The other is Microsoft SQL. So in this regard, what I have found here, my analysis believes that the 7461 Microsoft SQL certification is much more relevant, and going into that site is much more fruitful. Now I'll talk about my experience when I was trying to install this and the problems that I faced. Moreover, if I were to summarize things, some of the problems that I faced in installing was that 2014 required Service Pack 1, which I did not had. So the 2014 or the latest one is not recommended, so I would still recommend you to go with 2008, because many of the time the latest version says that you don't have this software and so on. One more option trouble that you get is with the wrong version. So we have the Express edition, which is freely available, and while installing that, I installed one version where I was not able to connect it with the local host. So when we look at the Connect Explorer, I used to connect the SQL Server Compact. So the bigger file was the right one. So doing the wrong one, or trouble with SQL Compact and not being able to connect with the live server, where was one issue with this. The other part that I have is the 461 syllabus. That seems more interesting. So I guess this 7461 certification has a lot of interesting thing, and this is very relevant to what we would do in the financial world, and less from the point of the developer side. So creating database, working with data, using the select, implementing the sub queries, using the aggregate queries. So this is all working with data. Creating database is the first step. So the first part would be that. Then we move ahead with modifying the data with insert, update and delete. So we would use append command. Then we have a difference between union and union all, understanding determinist non-effective function, and finally the troubleshooting with optimizing query, manage transaction, evaluate use. So what I guess is that this becomes one of the good certification into the quantitative finance side, where you would like to move ahead with the kind of analysis where you can get data into the Excel and the VBA and still do that. So out of the two options, I like the way in which Microsoft SQL 7461 certification works, and I am going to talk more about some of the links and troubles that I had. So this is the version that I have installed. It's freely available. This is an Express version, so it is for development purpose. Now it gives option to connect to database engine and SQL Server Compact. So the SQL Server Compact is not having all the features, and the SQL Express is the name of the server. So by default it had local here. So that was again a bit of a trouble. So it was local versus SQL server. So that was one thing. So when you download this, and when you download the right version, I'm going to talk about this. So this version was SQL EX PRWT X64 ENU. So when you download this and install this, you can then configure. The next step was getting the toolkit or the books data into the SQL so that I can practice those commands. So once that was done, I was able to link everything with the preparation. So few things that I have taken in all the important points for the problems that I was facing. So one problem that I face is that I faced in the initial was varchar and char, so they used nchar and nvchar, so things like that. Now how to enable the remote connection part so that you can have better features. So it was like disabling some of those things, disabling security in firewall and opening ports in the setup. So these were some small errors that I was getting. So I did collect some of the important links. I'll just bring those links here as well. So this was versus local, which was default, and the other links also played some important role. And finally I bought all the database that I want to practice of this book, which is the core book for the revision, and finally completed my work. So these are the important links. You can get this PowerPoint from the website qcfinance.in on how to start your preparation on this one. Thank you for listening.